Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Students, we have very important short questions. Derivation of Boyle's law and Charles' law on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. The very important short question of chapter number 11 of part 1 physics, students. First of all, I'll define what is the Boyle's law. So, our statement is the volume of a given mass of a gas is inversely proportional to the pressure of the gas if temperature is constant. And mathematically, you can write on this V is proportional to 1 over P. P is inversely proportional to the volume if temperature is constant. And according to kinetic molecular theory, the pressure of the gas is given by P is equal to 2 by 3 N naught kinetic energy average. Translation kinetic energy average. So, according to kinetic molecular theory, the pressure of the gas is equal to 2 by 3 N naught average translational kinetic energy. What is N naught, students? N naught is the number of molecules per unit volume, N over V. So putting this value, we have P is equal to 2 by 3 N over V kinetic energy average, translation kinetic energy average. So this equation, P is equal to 2 by 3 N over V average translation kinetic energy. And in the last lecture, we have proved this relation, students, that is temperature is directly proportional to average translational kinetic energy. We know this relation and we have already proved this relation. Temperature is directly proportional to average translational kinetic energy. And in mathematics, if the two things they are directly proportional, you can replace them. So this is a very important thing. Temperature is directly proportional to average translation kinetic energy, that is the absolute temperature, and we have proved this relation in the previous video. And in mathematics, if the two things they are directly proportional, you can replace them. So kinetic average translation kinetic energy, so that is replaced by T. So P is equal to 2 over 3 N over V and T. So kinetic energy is replaced by temperature. And the volume is shifted on this end, the cross multiply 2 over 3 N over P T. So in that particular equation, 2 by 3 is constant, N number of molecules another constant, and temperature is constant in Boyle's law. So all are constants except P. So V is equal to constant over P, and in Boyle's law temperature is constant. Temperature is constant. So this equality sign and constant can be replaced by proportionality sign. So V is proportional to 1 over P if temperature is constant. If T is constant, so that is the Boyle's law. So that is the Boyle's law. And now we have another one. Charles' law, students. We'll derive the Charles' law on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. Look at the statement of this Charles' law. The volume of a given mass of a gas is directly proportional to the temperature if pressure is kept constant. So V is proportional to T if pressure is kept constant. So that is Charles' law. And according to kinetic molecular theory, the pressure of the gas is 2 over 3 N naught Ke average translational kinetic energy. So average translational kinetic energy. What is N naught? N naught is the number of molecules per unit volume. So N naught is equal to N over V. So putting this value in that equation, 2 over 3 n over v average translational kinetic energy. So cross multiply, v shifted on this end, v is equal to 2 over 3 n over p. So p is replaced by v and v is shifted in that end. So v is equal to 2 by 3 n over p k e average. In the previous video, we have proved this relation. So absolute temperature is directly proportional to average translational kinetic energy. So T is proportional to average translational kinetic energy. And in mathematics, if the two things they are directly proportional, you can replace them. So kinetic energy is replaced by T. So we get this relation. The above equation becomes 2 over 3 n over p, and kinetic energy average is replaced by temperature. And in that particular equation, 2 by 3 is constant and number of molecules is constant. We all know in a meter cube, the number of molecules 6 into 10 is about 25. So it's another constant is there. So V is equal to constant into T, and in Boyle's law pressure is kept constant. So P is constant. Equality sign and constant they can replace by proportionality sign. So V is proportional to T if P is constant. If P is kept constant, so V is proportional to T, and which is Charles' law. These are very important articles. Dry Boyle's law and Charles' law on the basis of kinetic molecular theory. In the end, I request you all, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.